Yes, this is the flocculation system. It consists of three stages. One is absorption chamber, other is coalescence chamber, and other is activated carbon chamber. The heart of this flocculation system is Gravifloc unit, where internally it consists of a fan which is connected to a motor through a bevel gear arrangement. So when the power is on, the power when the power is on, the fan inside the Gravifloc unit rotates, where it also have four nozzles trimmed radially. So this is connected through a adapter,
but it's leaking very badly.
and it is connected to the compressor. So what happens is that when the system is on, the inlet valve, which is actually connected to the bilge holding tank, will be open, so the water will be forced inside by the bilge holding tank pump, and the water will be raised, where this operation of the pumps in the system will be operated by the float switch in turn with the relay. So initially, when the level is low, in the sense the water level is low, the bilge holding tank pump will be on, and the dosing pump. The main thing in this flocculation system is that we add chemicals inside the Gravifloc unit, that is the oily water which will be there in the bilges, which will be having a flocculation effect, in the sense the oil, all the tiny particles will be coalescence together, where it will be formed a big float, and this is the skimmer, where this is a deflector blade where the formed shoot to form this float and all will be collected, and this will be let out through this hole. ஆன் பண்ண ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறேன்
ஆனால்
ஓப்பன் ஓப்பன் ஓப்பன்ல
எங்கேடா
ஓப்பன் So
இப்போ இந்த தண்ணியில்
this is the recirculation tank, which will be connected from the Gravifloc unit from the back, where there will be a submersible pump inside it. It will be connected, so these two tanks will be raised simultaneously with the same height, where both the tanks are placed in the same level. So whenever the churning effect will be taking in this tank, and the recirculating water also will be taking place with the submersible pump, and this process will be keep happening.
இந்த ஸ்பான்ஸ் உள்ள வச்சுருவான்.
Now so when it reaches the top level, that is this, whenever this float switch is raised, is lifted, is floated to the top, which activates relay, and where the initial dosing pump and the bilge water supply pump will be cut off, and this valve will be let open, and where it is will be connected to a pump. So the filtration process will be started. This is a filtration unit where the filtration process will be started, and these two pumps will be on simultaneously when the float is lifted up, and the water will be uh, forced with a pressure to the absorption chamber, where it has the sponges. And at the second stage, there will also be intermediate pump where it boosts a little more pressure, and it will be thrown to the coalescence chamber, where in turn it connects to the activated carbon, and the pure water will be let out to the sea that is overboard. And so initially the absorption stage, the oil water which will be there in the bilges, after the graviflow unit, it will be given to the absorption chamber where it absorbs the oil and let goes the a little bit good oil, water to the second stage, and coalescence where it have some sand, all these things, where it cleans the oil water, and the water will be floating in the top, and the pure water will be going in down, and where it in turn goes to the activated carbon, where any odor and smell, all these things will be cleaned, and the pure water will be let out. So for better understanding, there is a prototype model here where you can understand in a better way, where this is a graviflow unit, absorption filter, coalescence filter, activated carbon. Okay, so there is a pump over here where it takes section and gives to the next stage, where we add chemicals, all stuff here, where proper churning will be happening. So the fourth will be formed in the top. The clean water will let go to the first stage, the filtration unit, and this will be connected to the second stage, where the coalescence stage, in turn it connects to the third stage, where it's activated carbon. So you can see the activated carbon, and these are just normal granules and the mud and normal. This is a sponge where it absorbs the oil.